Hi everyone, and welcome to the Unit 2 overview intro video. You will now be able to see Unit 2 is up right here at the bottom, so you can click into this. Okay, so the first thing you'll see is the video, but since we're making it, can't see it yet. Then you'll see the little calendar here, so you'll see the due dates. We got 2 computer homeworks, 3 written homeworks, and then a project. All right. And then those due dates are all listed out here as well. So you could just check those out here. You can copy off of this calendar. And don't forget, you can also use the calendar that's embedded inside Lumen as well. However you want to do it, doesn't matter to me. Alright, so then just same structure as before. You've got your computer homework, your videos and readings, and where your written homeworks and projects are. Computer homework. This first one is going to be dealing with our big numbers. The second one will be geometry. So that's how we're breaking this up. Big numbers first, then geometry. And these work just like the ones that you guys have already done for Unit 1. Okay. Videos and readings. Right now, all you'll see, if you're watching this within a few days of when I made it, is the video and readings for the big numbers. Below this few days, I'll put up the geometry one, so you'll have everything. But we're going to start with big numbers. So you've got your study guide, a video of me going through the study guide, some additional readings and videos that will be helpful or just interesting. The Larson book has some more examples of some of the ways that we're going to write big numbers. This table I reference in the study guide. You can go to this website, and if you're interested, you can see all of the different names they have for really big numbers, special ones. And then there's some kind of interesting videos here you might want to check out having to do with comparing millions and billions, like physically comparing them, trying to understand what they mean. And then this is a pretty funny video with Neil deGrasse Tyson talking about comparing his wealth to, I believe it was Bill Gates. I don't remember who he compared to exactly in the video, but it's a pretty interesting way to think about these big numbers, especially wealth, and it's pretty shocking the first time you kind of do the math and hear about this. So definitely check these out. They're pretty interesting. I also have another useful link here for exponent rules. You go through the study guide, you're going to see that there's a couple different ways to do calculations with big numbers. One of them is to use exponents. If you're not as comfortable with that, you haven't seen it in a while, there's an extra link for you to read about this, check it out, just so you're a little more comfortable with some of the work we're going to do. Okay. There's the other thing that's missing, the weekly activities, just the extra practice. That'll be in here too, just extra practice problems that you can check your answers from, ask questions on, but have the answers on there. So that'll go up too in just another day or so. Okay, and then last thing, your written homework and projects. Written homework 1 is up, check it out. 2 and 3 will be coming soon, and then the project will be up not too long. And then just like, in Unit 1 you guys did this perfectly, you're going to do it again. Written homework 1 goes here, 2, 3, project. Boom, 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 boom. You guys know what you were doing? Do it again. So, there you go. That's the structure. That's what we got to do. If you finished already in terms of before the project due date, my advice would be take a day or two and relax a little bit. Take your mind off math. Some of you that's not possible. You just got to stay ahead. That's a great idea too. Start going. You can ask me questions on anything. Start handing things in early if you want. Let me know. Don't forget office hours as well. Make sure you come to office hours if you have questions or send me emails. And keep up the good work.